رمضان أقبل فالقلوب مريضة والنور أمسى.
Abba, what are you doing?
I am making chocolate covered stuffed dates for Iftar. Come sit, let me teach you how to do it. Let's get started. To make chocolate coated stuffed dates, we need some gems, Cadbury shots, some melted chocolate, a few ice cream sticks, and some nuts. Carefully remove the seeds from the dates.
فيك الأماني والمودة تلتقي وتعبق الأرواح بالقرآن.
Now stuff the dates with gems, Cadbury shots and nuts.
خافتا بكياني قل لي متى يأتي الصباح بنوره ومتى ننصاع للإحسان. رمضان 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 وترتقي الأهداف في تلك الربا وينتشي التسبيح في الأكوان.
Now poke the ice cream sticks into the stuffed dates and cover it with melted chocolate. Now dip the dates in melted chocolate to get a smooth finish. Your chocolate coated stuffed dates are ready to be enjoyed for Iftar. Say your dua before Iftar and break your fast with these lovely dates.
Allahumma inni laka sumtu wa bika amantu wa alayka tawakkaltu wa ala rizqika aftartu fataqabbal minni. Ameen. Now it's time to have these lovely dates.
Yes.
Children generally do not like dates, but when prepared in this manner, it tastes really, really good. One for Abba, one for Imaan, and one for Abba. Bismillah. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our videos. Assalamu alaikum.
قل لي متى يأتي الصباح